Hi, and welcome to Bonita's Kitchen, and thank you for joining us. Today I'm putting together a simple little recipe for you to have any time of the day, and it's called superfood muffins. Now I like to say that it only got a few simple ingredients, but it don't have a few simple ingredients. It's got a nice few simple ingredients, and everything that you will possibly think of that is superfoods. And if I don't have it here and you got something different there, we'll talk about that. You could use that too. And it's going to be like carrot and banana. We're going to have some nuts. We're going to have cranberries, some blueberries. We're going to have oats. But what we'll do, we'll tell you all of those ingredients as we go and talk a little bit more about it. So let's get started. So what I got here is 3 of our frozen bananas. I know frozen bananas are the best for baking because it gives you this, I'm going to say, mushy banana on the inside that's nice and sweet. So it gives you that little bit of sweetness without adding any sugar. So I got 3 of those we're going to be adding to the mixer. Now I'm going to be adding in there a 1/2 cup of brown packed sugar, and you can grate in there 2 apples, or if you don't have any apples on hand, use 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup of apple sauce. So now I'm going to put down my blender and I'm going to let this whisk around for a couple of minutes. All right. So what I'm going to be tossing in there now is a 1/2 cup of oil. If you don't want to use oil, you could use 1/2 cup of melted butter. And I got 2 grated carrots here. I can't say finely grated, but just as the same.
As good as I got them.
As good as you got it. Just grate them with your old-fashioned grater and good to go. So pop that in there as well, and we're going to toss that around. What I got here is 2 large eggs, and I'm going to just break them into this bowl. Our little grandson is 5, and he said, "Nanny, this is the way you break your egg on the counter." So I guess everybody could be a little bit different. Yeah. But yeah, I just toss it in there. That's no big deal. And what you're going to do is take them now and toss it into your blender. And I'm going to add in there 2 teaspoonfuls of vanilla. And I'm going to toss this around. Do this by hand. You don't have to, like I am now with the mixer, but this is the lazy part of me today. Just wanted to do with the mixer to show you, as Raymond would say, right quick. I got 2 cups here of whole wheat, all-purpose whole wheat flour. I got a 1/2 cup of roll oats, a teaspoonful of baking powder, a teaspoonful of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoonful of sea salt. Now I'm going to kick it up here to bring in some flavor. 1/2 teaspoonful of nutmeg and a 1/2 teaspoonful of cinnamon, and that's just going to draw in those flavors and just work it all through those superfood. Now we're going to mix this in the bowl just to give it a little toss about and add it into our mixer. So I'm kind of going to do that a little bit gradual. We'll turn on the mixer and let that go around. Because my mixer is noisy, toss in there about a 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup of orange juice. So now, after you do all of that, so now when I had said to you before, if you got superfoods that you want to add in there, maybe you might want to put in there some grated zucchini or maybe there's something else that you like, even sweet potato, you know, that would work as well. I'm going to say fill your boots with anything that's superfood that's going to add in that healthy choice.
Bonita's kitchen saying is tickle your fancy with whatever you got.
Well, there you go.
That's a good one.
And what I got here as well, about a half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of cranberries and blueberries mixed together, and that's the berry flavor that we're going to be putting in here. I'm just going to fold that through. So pretty much all we're going to do with that is fold that through. Now this is a delicious muffin, and you can take this one to work, to school. This is going to fill in probably your breakfast choice, because you've got everything here that you would have for your breakfast. And you can make these in advance, you can freeze them individually and take them out as you want it. So now this is our superfood muffins. And now I'm going to show you what to do next. So now you use the pan that you enjoy baking with. I got two 6-cup pans here, muffin pans, and I got one that got sleeves in it, the other one I got it sprayed with oil, and I also got a silicone one that I really enjoy using that makes pretty big muffins. But I'm going to use this one here today because we find that this amount of a muffin, when it starts to rise, it's just perfect for us to grab and go. You just pop it into your pan. So now I'm going to call this a medium pan. So if you were using your medium muffin pan, you can make probably up to 20 to 24 of these. Just putting half in the cup because it rises nice. And then if you wanted to use your large muffin pan, you could make 12, or you can mix and match. Right now, I'm going to tell you how long you need to bake it for. Okay, what I'm doing here, I'm filling these little ones because I want it for my grandchildren, and they'll love those as well. They're tasty, and like I said, dress them up whatever way you want to. I'm going to put an almond on each one. You can put walnuts, you can put your favorite crushed nuts, it doesn't matter, on the top to give it that little look and taste. We're going to put it in a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, and that would be depending on your oven or toothpick clean. So I'm going to do that now, and I'll show you what that looks like when they come out. So our superfood muffins are baked. Now let's pull them out of the oven.
Smells amazing.
I know, right? Hang on. Just look.
Looking good.
How nice and toothpick clean. So I'm going to bring them to my countertop and I'll show you what they look like. So now I just covered them for a moment just to get them steamed away from the pan. And let me just pull one out here for you. I got to try to touch this without burning my fingers off. So probably I'll try it this way because I'm going to burn my paws right off. Now just look at this delicious muffin. I'm going to cut it now, show you what it looks like inside. So now as you can see, we got these that's not in sleeves and these that's in the sleeve that your kids can take to school and easy for them to just open up and way to go. Now just look at the inside of this muffin. It's got everything in there. I, of course, got to have a little bit of butter.
A bit of butter.
To put inside, let it melt over. But just look, carrot and the cranberries, some blueberries. You know, if it was grated apples, you'll see that in through there. I didn't have any apples today, only my applesauce. So you can use that. Again, you choose what superfoods you like to put in there. Of course, the oats and all that. I'm going to have a little taste. And I can't wait. Now we can't get enough of these, especially now this time of the year. You just feel like you need comfort food, and this is definitely it. I'm going to have a little taste. packed full with goodness. The sourness of those cranberries, the sweetness of the apples going through. Of course, carrot, anything for me. Drop the muffin delicious. I know you're going to love them. I can't wait for you to make them. Yum. I'm going to say 2 thumbs up on those. I still got the little trays in there to take out, and we'll bring them over to our grandchildren. So this is it. It's as good as it gets, and I hope you found this recipe very interesting, because it's not only an healthy muffin, it's one that you're going to make forever. It's just delicious. Our recipe will be posted in under this video. It'll either say see more or an arrow pointing down. You can visit us on our website www.BONITA'Skitchen.com. Pop by to our Facebook page and view us there or right here on YouTube. Of course, I couldn't resist having another bite. Oh my gosh, that is terrible, Bonita. So this is it. It's as good as it gets. We'd like to thank each and every one of you for stopping by today. Big shout out to our paid members. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts for supporting Bonita's Kitchen. And I hope you're still enjoying your early viewing of our shows. We also been dibbling a little bit in shorts, which is the short videos of some of our recipes and just a few things that we just want to share with you guys. I hope you like it. It's just something that our boys, of course our team, said we need to get into because people enjoys watching it. We also want to do a big shout out to our subscribers. Well, we are at 95,000+ subscribers. We are hoping this year that we're going to hit the 100,000 mark, and that would be thanks to all of you. And as well, we welcome our new subscribers. Join our family, and we got over 575 recipes right now that you can enjoy. I think my muffins are ready to come out of the oven, so we're going to get at that. Raymond is saying pitter patter, let's get at her.
Yeah.
So we like, on behalf of myself, Raymond.
Oh, that's me, of course.
And our team, and from our kitchen to yours. We like to thank each and every one of you again, and you
have a wonderful day. Bring on the muffin.
Toodaloo.
Toodaloo.
Join us by the sea, a journey in culinary. Join us by the sea, that's where Bonita will be. We've got Telton's, Bankers, Frozies too, soups and stews to name a few. Roast beef, Irish pea, that's odd, beer and hot, feta jigs, breads
see the milk
blueberry
because if not,
are you ready for this jelly? Don't forget pork bake belly. Join us by the sea, a journey in culinary, always an open door. Bonita's Kitchen to yours. Bonita's Kitchen to yours. Bonita's Kitchen. Bonita's Kitchen to yours.